So today's agenda, we're going to talk about the business challenges associated with quality management systems, some of the basics of ISO 9001, the upcoming changes to ISO 9001 2015, how Intellex's approach to addressing the needs and requirements of ISO 9001 and what that means to you. And finally, we'll leave off with some tips to help you get ready and address any questions from the audience. So one of the primary challenges relates to customer satisfaction. When you're on a day-to-day basis, when you're operating your quality management system, you're going to be addressing defects, non-conformances, warranty claims, and customer complaints. So you have to make sure that you're addressing customer needs on an ongoing basis. When you're trying to figure out what approach you should take to improve on these issues, you need to think about what does this mean to the customer. If I make a change internally in my process, is this going to help deliver your good or service with higher quality? Is it going to deliver the good or service at a higher throughput so that they are able to recognize revenue more quickly? So you have to always maintain the customer's perspective on any decision that you're making internally. And sometimes it's easy to lose that focus. So if the customer is sitting over your shoulder watching what you're doing, you have to think about, are they going to cheer you on? Are they going to be there supporting you? And they're going to be recognizing the value that you're adding to them at the end of the day. And sometimes it's easy to lose that perspective. So you need to keep that top of mind. From an ISO 9001 perspective, this is core. This is the backbone to the quality management system. We need to understand customer requirements, and that's a key requirement. And we have to continuously monitor customer satisfaction on an ongoing basis. So this is one of the core challenges that everyone faces in order to implement a robust quality management system. The next key challenge is relating to global competition. We face competitors from numerous geographies, and we have to be able to differentiate ourselves. One way to do that is by implementing a differentiation strategy, which focuses on how can we offer unique value to customers. What can we offer to them that's going to help them speed up their service quality, deliver with more sustainable and repeatable results on an ongoing basis, and really ultimately help them develop a sustainable business. On the other aspect, there's an efficiency strategy. We need to consider how we're going to ensure that our organization is maximizing the use of our resources, whether that's human capital or capital equipment. So you need to consider both approaches. If you focus purely, say, on an efficiency strategy, you're basically going to be optimizing your cost structure. If you don't consider the benefits from a differentiation strategy, then you're going to be blurred in the competition. From all the solutions that are available out there, customers won't be able to see you from the mix. So if you don't have an optimized cost structure, somebody that is operating more efficiently than you can come in and undercut you in pricing. So you need to make sure that you have both elements in your business. Otherwise, you can lose business to your competitors.
Thank you very much, Peter. Hello, everyone. I'm going to talk a little bit about our new offering at Intelex. It's the integrated ISO 9001 solution. Just to give you a bit of a background, since our inception, since Intelex's inception in the 1990s, we've really been committed to serving our customers with the best-in-class subject matter expertise, content, and tools to enable compliance with various health and safety and quality standards, including the ISO 9001. So the history between Intelex and ISO 9001, it goes back quite far. As time went on and the requirements of ISO 9001 have changed and evolved, Intelex has continued to provide updated support for the standard by providing the various pieces of the puzzle required for ISO compliance and certification. Some of our best sellers in the past have included point solutions for non-conformance management, document control, audits, training, and so on. And we did this through the popular unified and integrated Intelex platform. So when the time came to change and update our design to handle the new requirements of the ISO 9001, we decided to take our offering one step further and vastly improve what we had been offering for many years. So I share here some of the design philosophies we used to create our new ISO 9001 integrated solution. And my hope is that these design elements will really help you all when you go on to design your own compliance solutions. So we wanted to create a system that would be an enterprise class tool that offers standard management tools like tasking, notifications, and reports, along with the convenience of being globally accessible and kind of agnostic to things like browsers and devices and so on. So we wanted to provide users with a sense of ownership of the system by allowing them to contribute to the system in an environment through a medium that they're comfortable with. So we wanted it to be an enterprise ubiquitous solution. We wanted the offering to be an out-of-the-box solution with little installation and setup time so that our end users are quick to realize the value very soon and start using the system very soon after they purchased it. We wanted to build into the system subject matter expertise and quality expertise, including standard forms, workflows, things like that, so that some of our smaller customers can really leverage the expertise from our internal experts, plus the knowledge that we've acquired from working with some of the industry behemoths. So basically what we wanted to do is we wanted to create an enterprise class tool at a small business price point so that our small business users can leverage from the experiences that we've got over the years.